Product guide. Hey guys, my name's Amanda and I'm what some people would call a makeup addict. I love the fact that I can look like completely different people just by how I paint my face. I'm super excited to get to unbox the new Walmart exclusives from the woman and black owned beauty brand Uoma by Sharon C. So got some water activated cleansing wipes, which I'm definitely gonna need later. Some cleansing oil. Some glow serum. Ooh, and pretty stuff, pretty stuff, pretty stuff. Lip tint, oil, and gloss. Ooh, I cannot wait to try this out. I think it's called Softy, if I'm reading that properly. This one is going to be called, this one is called Classy. Dark red. I'm loving it. Ooh, this is called Mischief. Mischief. I like it. I see the pun there. I like it a lot. So that's it for this video. There's so many products that I cannot wait to try, and I'm sure there's plenty more on the way. I'm super excited to have Uoma by Sharon C at Walmart. Be sure to like and subscribe below. I'll see you later.